Student, this video for class 10 students. In this section we are going to start the factor theorem. In the last class we have discussed the remainder theorem. Now in this video we are going to discuss the factor theorem. So in this theorem, if fx is divided by x minus a, and if fa that is remainder is 0, then x minus a is a factor of fx. So this is called factor theorem. So through one example I want to clarify this concept. Look at here. In this video, in this example, you see fx is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 and divisor is x plus 2, and we are interested to check whether this x plus 2 is a factor or not. So here x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. This is the procedure for finding remainder. So if in place of x you are putting minus 2, then it is f of minus 2, that is called remainder. It is equal to 4 minus 10 plus 6, it is equal to 10 minus 10, 0. So x plus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial fx. So this is the right example, and this is the right way to solve the question through factor theorem. Student, take one more example. In this example we have to check whether x plus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial fx is equal to 3x cube plus 6x square minus 5x minus 16 or not. So here x plus 1 equal to 0, so we will get the value of x is minus 1. If I will get the remainder, that remainder is coming minus 8. This minus 8 is not equal to 0, therefore we can say remainder is not 0. If remainder is not 0, so x minus 1 is not a factor by using factor theorem. So this you have to mention over here. By using factor theorem, we can say x plus 1 is not a factor for this given polynomial fx is equal to 3x cube plus 6x square minus 5x minus 16. So this is the complete procedure for using this factor theorem. So in the last class we have learned the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is only telling us how to factorize, how to get the remainder, but here we have to check whether it is a factor or not. If it is a requirement that whether it is a factor or not, you have to get the remainder. This remainder must be equal to 0. Here factor is not equal to 0, therefore it is not, x plus 1 is not a factor of this given polynomial. So this is the complete question. Now look at this example. In this example, x plus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial. It is already given that x plus 1 is a factor of this, and we have to find the value of a. So student, what you have to do, that x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So remainder we are going to get 3a minus 15. So according to factor theorem, we know that if it is a factor, then remainder must be equal to 0. So therefore 3a equal to 15. So this a will be 5. So this is the answer. So this type of this pattern is also can also be given in the ICSE board examination questions. So student, take the help from these questions and get the idea for the exercise. Let's see the exercise. Now student, here see the next question, this question from exercise number 6. The first question we are starting today. Find the remainder fx is equal to 5x square minus 7x of this function if the divisor is x minus 2. Means we are going to divide this polynomial with this x minus 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So the value of x is 2. So if I will get the remainder, so the value of x have to be substituted in this given equation. So it is 5 multiplied by 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 4. So that simplification will give 10. So remainder is 10 for this question. So student, today you will practice from question number 1 to 6 from exercise number 6, and tomorrow we will see the remaining questions. Thank you very much.